Hi everyone, I want to show you how I access my sanitary pad when my period suddenly starts at school. I started by inserting the vending coin. Okay, you twist it twice, which is 1, 2, and there you go. My sanitary pad is out. So this is it. I want to say a very big thank you to Pad of Creation for the invention of sanitary pad vending machine. As a student, I have experienced the discomfort and embarrassment of sudden period at school when I don't have access to sanitary pad. However, the introduction of vending machine in my school has made significant impacts on my life and that of other female students. The vending machine has provided us a safe and convenient way to access sanitary pads whenever we need them. It has eliminated the inconvenience and embarrassment that we used to face in the past. Now we can attend classes with confidence and without worrying about any discomfort. Moreover, the vending machine has also helped to break the taboo around menstruation. It has encouraged open conversation about menstrual hygiene and has created an environment where women and girls can talk about their period freely. Once again, I want to thank Paddle Creation for the incredible invention and significant impact on the lives of many women and girls, and it has contributed to creating a more inclusive and supportive environment for us. I hope that other school and organizations will follow our example and provide similar facilities to their female students. Thank you.